I was sent these trail runner shoes and I just am wearing them for the first time right now, but what I love is that you don't need to break them in. They literally feel like lightweight sneakers. They're super comfortable. They have great tread on the bottom of them. Be good on the gravel, in the dirt, in mud, wherever you need to go. And they have a nice secure fit to them as well. Not only are they lightweight, but they have a good cushion too. So you can wear these, it says up to 10 hours and have pain-free hiking with them. I've now tested these jogging and hiking and they feel great. I went true to size and I have a medium sized foot, maybe even on the narrow side. It has a nice wide toe box so my toes don't feel cramped in there at all. I also love the look of them. One of the things I noticed testing it is that you really have good traction, whether you're jogging or walking or just soaking up nature. I love the design and the sneaker look and feel, and I think you're going to love them as well.